Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about head shave for girls. Are you thinking about shaving your head? That can be a bold and liberating move. It's a great way to embrace a new look and feel empowered. If you are considering it, make sure you are doing it for yourself and not because of anyone else's expectations. If you go for it, rock that shaved head with confidence. Shaving your head can be a freeing experience, especially in terms of maintenance and trying out different styles. It can also be a symbolic act of starting fresh or embracing change. Just remember to take care of your scalp afterwards, as it might be more exposed to the sun and elements. If you have any specific question or concern about the process, feel free to ask in a comment section. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video notification from me. Thank you.